I'm doing a record here. You made it! You made it, Noah! Hi! Did you guys have fun? Yeah. You didn't tip over? There was no waves? It was not strong waves? Oh, okay.
Just enough to make it fun.
Or the wind. Sometimes the wind blow you away. You're playing, Noah. Noah, you're playing. Pag bali na pag, dako na kay mong pundo. Move around. He didn't get the joke. You know.
He's a dum-dum.
Who's dum-dum? Dito ka, dito. Go over there. Keep moving. I'll follow you. You wanna play with Noah? Noah, you wanna play? Where's the ball? Give me that ball. Give me that ball. That's mine. Give me that ball. So what? We're gonna do a okay. Take picture. Smile. Good catch, Noah. Good catch. Noah is playing. He's trying to catch the ball. Give me that ball, Noah. Hello, Noah. You're swimming, Noah. Oh, Noah. Give me that ball. That's my toy. Give me that one. Give me that. Hey. We're having fun here, guys. So they just finished their kayak. How was the kayak, Pressy? How was the kayak?
Awesome.
Yeah, good. I'm glad you enjoyed, right? Same with Noah here. Noah, did you have fun? Huh? How did you get the ball? Because usually he doesn't give it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. See, no, he's not gonna give it to you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was trying to. That's his toy. Wait. Run. Over there. Get the ball, Noah. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. The other dogs get jealous. Have the ball. You get the ball, Noah. Hey, give me the ball. Yeah, I'm doing video already.
Bye.
We should join together with them. They get excited. They run away from us.
Buwang ka.
Oh, what happened?
Why are you? What happened? What happened, Noah?
What Noah do to you?
Yeah, Noah was just like in front of us.
Here, Noah.
We should do our kayak now with them. Yeah, but they already left. We should go together.
Paddle fast, you can catch them.
I don't know, I'm too slow.
Well, you can catch them if you are taking pictures.
It's okay. It's part of the trip. We have to take picture.